Perfect Milky chin chin recipe. You can use this recipe for any event. So I'm going to be dropping all the measurements of the ingredients in the description. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to sieve my flour. So I'm making 1 kg of chin chin. I'm going to be using 1 kg of flour for this chin chin recipe. So I was using a smaller bowl before. I had to transfer it to a bigger bowl because I noticed that the bowl I was using before was too small. So I'm going to continue the measurements using this big bowl, and I'm going to be sieving it. Make sure you sieve your flour in case there are any dirt or sand in the flour. After sieving the flour, I'm just going to be adding my baking powder and my salt. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is my nutmeg. Nutmeg is very good for chin chin. While you are making chin chin, make sure you add your nutmeg to it. So I'm going to be adding my powdered milk. I'm going to be using both powdered milk and liquid milk for this recipe. Moreover, it is Milky chin. So I'm going to be using both powdered milk and liquid milk for this chin chin recipe. So I'm going to mix all these dry ingredients together. Then the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is my butter or margarine. You can either use butter or margarine. Anyone you have available is fine. So after adding my butter, I'm just going to be using my hand to mix everything gently together till it has incorporated together with the dry ingredients. So the next ingredient I'll be adding is my evaporated milk or my liquid milk. So if you don't have liquid milk, you can, or if you don't like milk too much, you can use water here. But it is Milky chin chin, so I'm going to be using milk for it. Then I'm going to be adding my egg. So I'm just going to add in my sugar to it. So after mixing it a little bit, you can add your sugar now. So I added my sugar. So the next ingredient I added was my sugar to this chin chin mixture or batter or whatever it is. So after adding your sugar, you are just going to mold everything together. You can add sugar first before adding your liquid ingredients. It's still very okay. So you are just going to mold everything together to form a ball. Make sure that you don't need.
Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Tresh cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat.
So once I've gotten that ball shape, I'm just going to place it on my work surface.
Feel the thrill.
Then I'm just going to be rolling it out. I'm going to be cutting it batch by batch because it's big. I don't want to roll it like this, so I'm just going to cut it batch by batch, then roll it and cut out the shapes I want.
Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.
So I'm just going to be cutting out the shape I want. Depending on the shape you want to make, it depends on what you want.
Where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet.
So you don't need to use flour on your surface.
Can't be
If you follow my recipe, you don't need to use flour on your surface. You can see that it's not sticky to the floor, or it's not sticky to your work surface.
batter makes
So
time stand still.
just follow my recipe and my instructions.
Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.
So once you are done cutting into your desired shapes, you are just going to be placing your oil in your pan or your pot. Then you are going to be frying your chin chin till it's golden brown. So you see how it's looking. So you are just going to be frying it on medium or low heat. Make sure that the cooker or the gas is not too hot for your chin chin.
On top so
Thank
sweet.
you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. I'm going to see you in my next video.
Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every bite makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Tresh cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes